up to the past few years.
Oh, same old, same old. How about yourself?
I just moved into a new place, and it's really nice.
Cool, that's really cool. Oh, hey, are you still working on your degree?
Yes, I've been absolutely busting my ass on it, but I'm almost done with the linguistics program.
That's great. Hey, listen, I need to show you something. I pulled a few strings with the university and I snagged that from one of the archives. Carbon dating puts it around 500 years old. What do you make of it?
Jeez. Howard, this is a great find. I'm seeing French, Mandarin, Arabic, Swahili. Either the author knew at least 17 languages or more than one person has written this.
But can you translate it?
It's doable, but it'll definitely take some time. Is this the original?
Oh, yeah, of course. Will you do it?
I never said I wouldn't.
Oh, that's great. Thank you so much.
Look, I don't know what to tell you. I paid for your services and you told me you took care of the rats. Well, I heard scratching last night in the walls where you said you worked. If you can't do a proper job, I'm sure I can find another exterminator. Ellie DuPont. About 3 weeks ago. All right, I'll schedule an appointment for next month.
Alright, cameras are set up. This will rotate the footage around your computer, and then this will kind of keep an ear and an eye on everything so that you just carry this around, and when you're out of the house, anything gets in, that'll pick it up and basically tell you. All right.
Thank you.
Oh, hey, Ellie. How far have you gotten?
Where did you get the book?
Ellie, you know it's against university policy to divulge.
Where did you get the goddamn book?
I was part of an excavation into Saudi Arabia. At the dig site, we found a sealed chamber, and when we broke it open, all we found was the book chained to a shrine. I tried to get it out of the country, but the local government wouldn't let us take it. I had to hire a black market contractor to smuggle it out past customs.
Jesus Christ, Howard.
Well, I know it was unethical, but you have to understand.
No, it's not. It's not that. It's just. Look, this book details unimaginable, inhuman cruelty, and not like Genghis Khan or Elizabeth Bathory or even Vlad the Impaler. This is far, far worse. And it talks about monsters and demons, but nothing like we see in the 16th century. They seem far older. And I've been seeing things at night, whispers in the dark. I don't know what it is or why it's happening, but something's not right with this book.
Come on, Ellie. You mean to tell me that after 20 years of staunch scientific belief, you're going to hear a bump in the night and say it's the boogeyman? It's not like you at all. Well, how much more do you have of the book?
About 200 pages. If I keep going, I could be done by the end of next week.
Well, that's great. I'll tell you what. Why don't I come by Saturday evening and I'll pick up the book and translations, and I'll even bring some drinks to celebrate.